Hi folks, welcome to this video presentation of this 2021 Apex Nano. It's a 193 model with bunks in the back. It's a pretty cool floor plan. I'll be able to share with you all that information in the inside and then we'll finish up. What I love about the 193 BHS here from Apex Nano, it is a really open floor plan with a large size bed up front and with that big window at the front of the unit and the side windows. It adds a lot of natural light and some viewing out there. So when you want to get up in the morning and everything and take a look outside, you can see some nice things depending on how you position your travel trailer. You also have a booth dinette here, slide out, which gives you good storage down below the booth as well as a window, and a table here, and the counters are sealed thermofoil. So I love the fact that they are easy to clean and moisture isn't going to really get in there like the old Formica kind of countertops had some susceptibility to that. You do have a 2-burner stove and the microwave down below, so you can kind of, it's a compact trailer, so they're putting as much as they can in that small space. You do end up having in the bathroom area a nice tub shower, as well as some storage in there for some linen and all that closet. And then plenty of room there around the toilet, as well as the counter in there. Bathroom does have some pretty nice space around there to the right side of that. Your medicine cabinet's got a nice mirror on there and a place to put a hand towel. Your bunks over here got nice space in there that you can get in, and you do have a window on that lower bunk, and the 200-pound capacity up top's real nice for those bigger kids and all that too. It's nice. So, as well, your refrigerator has a separate freezer up top. You do have a nice covered storage above the refrigerator, and also above the kitchen there, the stove and the sink, you have nice 2 cabinets there. Storage above the bed area up front is also nice to have, so you need as much as you can get. Thanks again, you guys, for spending some time with us and for viewing this video. If you have any more questions at the end, of course, go ahead and call me. It's Tom Peterson. I've been here for over 30 years, and I'd love to be able to answer questions for you that you might have. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.